Jai Hind kids, how are you all? Hope you all are great. Today is your English class and this is your English book Phonics. In this book, open page number 42. The question is, look at the picture and write the correct word. हमें पिक्चर्स को देखना है और उनका नेम यहाँ पर लिखना है. Let's start. Who are these? These are men. हम पहले भी पढ़ चुके हैं MAN, man. Man means one man. And MEN, men. Men means बहुत सारे men, more than one. Plural of man. So here two men are given. So we will write MEN. Let's write MEN, men. And what is this? This is jet. JET, jet. Now read these words. MEN, men. Jet. Now look at this picture. इस पिक्चर में पेट भीगा हुआ है, गीला है. So write down wet. गीला के लिए क्या यूज करेंगे? Wet. WET, wet. Read this. Wet. Wet. Now look at this picture. What is this? This is pen. PEN, pen. PEN, pen. Pen. Next question is, write the rhyming words. First part is at. Rhyming words match करनी है. Like last में at आना चाहिए. Like these words, wet, at. Look at the end letters. At. Last में at आना चाहिए, तो वो words हमें लिखने हैं. So first at family word is pet. PET, pet. Phonic sound of P is pa, at, pet. Next, net. Write down NET, net. Phonic sound of N is na, at, net. Next at family word is jet. JET, jet. Phonic sound of J is ja, at, jet. Next at family word is wet. WET, wet. Phonic sound of W is wa, at, wet. Now here we have to write the words that ends with N. So the first word will be den. DEN, den. Phonic sound of D is da, and den. Next N family word is ten. TEN, ten. Phonic sound of T is ta, and ten. Next N family word will be hen. HEN, hen. Phonic sound of H is ha, and hen. Next N family word will be pen. PEN, pen. Phonic sound of P is pa, and pen. Now come to page number 43. The question is, circle the correct word for each picture. We have to circle the names of the picture. हमें पिक्चर्स को पहचानना है और पिक्चर्स के नेम पर सर्कल करना है. So what is this? This is net. Now recall the spelling of net. NET, right? So where is NET written? Here. Circle it. Now next picture. This is the picture of 10. Number 10. So recall the spelling of 10. 10 की spelling याद करो. T-E-N 10. So where is 10 written? Here. It is here. T-E-N 10. Circle it. What is this? This is hen. So recall the spelling of hen. The spelling of hen is H-E-N. Where is H-E-N? Here. Circle it. What is this? This is pet. P-E-T pet. So circle the P-E-T pet. Next question is read and match the following. We have to read these words and match these words with their pictures. Now read the first word. First word is J-E-T, jet. Phonic sound of J is J. J at jet. Now look at this picture and search where is jet. Here is jet. Now match the spelling of jet with the picture of jet. हमने jet की spelling को jet की picture से match कर दिया. Now kids, first word I have done for you. The remaining words you will do yourself. Okay, it's your homework. Bye kids.